opinion on ChatGPT, on how it's affect our world and our daily lives. We will be delivering that how somewhere will be in favor of ChatGPT and somewhere will be on the against side. We will discuss that how it affects us. Some will give it positive side and some will discuss with the negative sides. May you shall proceed.
Thank you. My name is Sachin and I will be speaking about in the favor of ChatGPT and its advantages in today's world. Basically, ChatGPT stands for chatbot pre-trained transformer, which uses a deep learning algorithm to just give us a very good response about like whatever text we have. So basically, in today's world, we can see there are different things like people are becoming more creative. They can learn about different stuff. They can even ChatGPT is helping us to get more information. Let's say like I just want a research paper and I just want to know about that research paper in a very quick and very good manner. So I'll be just giving all those text prompts, all those research paper to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will will evaluate all the things and it's gonna give me a synopsis about that scenario or that research paper. Not only that, like people, according to recent study in Adobe, some workers or some professionals of Adobe are also thinking about the AI, like how ChatGPT, AI, and other things could enhance their creativity. Not to mention there are things like NFT, where there are different types of art. People are creating different types of artwork, and they are even earning profit out of it. So these are the things I feel. And there is another thing I want to mention in healthcare system. People are using different text prompts to get amazing response of like let's say like I have a disease. So I'm not saying that we should rely on that, but I'm saying that we should get a good if we are searching about a particular disease, like let's say like I have fever, I have cough. So if I'm going to search about that thing, I can get a good information like what is happening within my body. These are the things which is going to help us.
As you said, the chatbot is trained with the help of deep learning algorithm. I want to say that there are two types of data: training data and testing data. And the biasness of the ChatGPT can be trained by the personnel to show the favor of ChatGPT in the favor of like some political parties, in favor of some ideologies, in favor of some particular religion, in favor of some particular gender. Then how that is determined that it will be fair for all people on every aspect?
We know like we have our own intelligence. So those people who are using ChatGPT, they have their own intelligence. Like a normal person, let's like a person from village area, like I feel like he's not that much capable of understanding each and every like how text form or deep learning actually works. So those people who are searching about this biasness, like you may like right now you talked about biasness. So how come we are able to know about biasness? Because you study about that. So basically those like we will use our intelligence for that matters.
So I want to put my opinion. Okay. ChatGPT is artificial intelligence, not someone's propaganda. ChatGPT using its own kind of intelligence to show the opinion, the fact, and AI is helping ourselves, not to help individuals. So that is my point.
I would like to ask one thing, that ChatGPT, we all search questions related as well as make our work with it, but it won't make us like lazy as well as put our development in lack. We won't be able to make things much better with it, and it is not sentimental too. When he said that ChatGPT is quite creative, but it won't be good in writing points. Like when we talk about particular reason, we like to hide things or we manipulate the words, but ChatGPT won't do this. I would like to ask this about it.
I will say ChatGPT. There are two terms in computer programming. First is efficiency, and that is second is accuracy. Efficiency and accuracy are very important. It is on ourselves that how we are opening or how we are using ChatGPT. If ChatGPT is for our use, not for that ChatGPT can all the things. ChatGPT cannot replace humans.
I was saying ChatGPT can do the work very better, but it is our basic things. Like if we say ChatGPT to make a program, then we are completely relying on it. We might make updates on it, but we are forgetting our basic program structures. And tomorrow, when we try to do it, we won't be able to do it.
I want to add something many today's students are relying on the answers of ChatGPT, which will lead to the hamper in their critical thinking and their analytical skills. How you contribute done by the beautiful .ai. They say that the 66% of the managers are agreed to replace their employees with the ChatGPT. It's hamper the employment and create the active environment. And also there is a report by the Microsoft office which say 78% of the Indian employees are worried for their jobs that they are doing.
Basically, you are just talking about unemployment. You know, AI will not replace anyone. The people who are using AI will, like, they will replace everyone. Suppose, like, we all are discussing about ChatGPT. So if I don't know, like, how I can just like do some texting, something like that, to enhance my creativity, and there are those people like who are using it, like how they can be more creative with the help of chatbots. So if I have that skill, if I'm just helping myself to increase my productivity, definitely I will be more better than those people. So the problem is not AI, the problem is not ChatGPT, the problem is the people who are using it for productivity, who are using it to enhance their creativity, like how they can use AI. Like I have also used different chatbots to create a virtual video, virtual reality system. So here in this scenario, like there are a lot of people like they don't know about how they can use these things. So here in this scenario, if I'm just against them, definitely I will perform better. So the problem is
I
not
would like to
AI.
add one more thing. Indians are worried because India lacking opportunity, lacking skill. Sorry, opportunity. Sorry. India lacking skill. 80% of engineers are not skillable and are dated. They are not updating themselves. So, modern technology needs to be updated, or it gets updated every day. You know, you have to maintain your skills. You know that all the presentation, all the MS Word files are now creating by the use of AI, but nobody is aware of it. You are using presentation just because of just by using traditional method. That is not applicable to that kind of situation.
So I would like to add the opinion with my seniors. You can say that the ChatGPT might be enhancing or updating our work, but it's also say that the ChatGPT is also about creating and creativity with your own mindsets and your own ability. The using of ChatGPT is not just only about copying something from net, but it's about how creative you can think and how creative you will add your work qualities with ChatGPT. You can just not say ChatGPT to just to create a whole poem or a whole database sheet or PPT, but you can use that as skill to form the different types of PPT. You will work on that ChatGPT to form different designs, different layout, different images, and you are the one who is going to edit all the things. That we cannot say that ChatGPT is going to destroy it's going to remove the employment, or it is going to remove very people's job. It is going to create more opportunity for those people who have the skills to use ChatGPT in many creative ways.
You know, there is a term in like basically in AI field or basically in the field of ChatGPT, there is a term known as prompt engineering. So when you are talking about the replacement of job, I feel like it's not gonna happen because though like it's not about like what you are searching on ChatGPT. It's all about like how you are searching, like what kind of text you are using on that. So you know, basically in prompt engineering, we just talked about like the different or set of keywords which will give us accurate answer or 100% accurate answer. So those people who will be learning how to text something, how to write something, basically they will be learning about prompt engineering. Even NVIDIA CEO like recently like he talked in an interview and those like everyone is learning programming, but the most helpful skill will be in the future is prompt engineering, because when they will learn it, they will know like how they can just get work done with the help of different AI tools.
As your companion said, that ChatGPT is mostly work on net answers. It is all the data we have stored in the servers of ChatGPT. But isn't it quite concerning because they are giving us answer of the same, like many writers sue ChatGPT for using their text. If you consider it, what
I want to add something. As he said that there are many data sets used by the ChatGPT parent company OpenAI. Like it gathers many huge quantity of data sets from all around the world and it takes insight from it and gives us answer. So can this be little biased towards some political things and some political ideologies? Like the company can be facing towards the other side which it's funding from, and it can hinder others work as well.
I want to add something. As you know,
can you explain how ChatGPT using our data to manipulate some, or it is dangerous to our security?
Let me answer this. As you can see, I have seen an interview of a parent. His child who was died, his AI was created, and actually it was not inappropriate videos, and that was created by them, AI. Even many celebrities AI with nudist AI, it was created by them. So isn't it concerning?
I want to add one more thing.
Yes, sir.
Let me say, as you asked that how it uses our data, the parent company of ChatGPT, OpenAI, itself says that it takes the data of user to enhance their system. How, if suppose a data breach happens, then who will be the responsible? As I want to give an instance also, as previous year, March 2023, there was a data breach where a user can see other users' name, email ID, as well as their payment history. And one more instance, there was also a breach where credit card numbers as well as their password were exposed to the world. So how will you counter it?
These kind of situations can occur in any AdWord or with Google also. Facebook is also achieving our data. That is not only with the ChatGPT. So fact is that it depends on our logic or our page or our I cannot explain that. It all depends on our logic, that how we are giving them access to our system, our data. That is only depends on ourselves. And there is a term called cyber security. Cyber security tells us, or it is available in also in there are various fields, or there are various cyber security experts who can handle this. We have to know about that, and we can get help from them. So
As
that
is-
is not only with the ChatGPT. That is only with Gemini. That is only with the Facebook. So that's the situation.
As you said, that there is not too much knowledge on it. As you said, there is not too much knowledge about how we are going to apply our logic on it. As we said, there were in the rural side of the area, there is not too much knowledge of AI. Then also they are using ChatGPT. When you will install ChatGPT, it will ask for your agree button, where they will ask for your agreement that you agree with our terms and conditions of OpenAI, in which they clearly says that we can use your privacy data to enhance our system, and they also can take your history of the prompts, which will also give them some insights and which can also hinder your family's problems.
So first thing matters what kind of data it is taking for our data. It's taking our email, it's taking our name, or it is taking our all types of data like date of birth,
Conclusion, please.
which is also associated with our our own data or bank account. So that's not the problem. It's taking all the things. So fact is that
Last 30 seconds for conclusion.
You just say that everyone is a advantage and disadvantage. You can use Google. Google also use our data to improve herself, improve our system. So every system has pro and cons. Now you can say why you choose ChatGPT is dangerous for our life.
Let me add something. You just said that we can't rely on AI and chatbots, and you said that there might be some privacy or data leakage. There are millions of apps which use our data on regular basis to enhance their capability. And you know that there is Facebook who just recently gets sued in court for storage of data. But you can say that every app and every AI bot system uses the data of users to enhance itself. It is if you are not going to provide your data, then it is not going to enhance itself, and it is not going to improve further in future. And the expected generation who wants to more from these apps cannot comprehend with the older version. So this data support system that they are using for the enhancement are very important for their own development of that ChatGPT bots.
Thank you very much, team. Thank you.